Oh my God! Stop it! I'm so hungry I could eat Pagagwa. Oh.
So I was looking for Ruby the baby cat the whole time until I found out.
Не надо. Are you kidding me?
Oh. Why on the bed? No. No!
Peanut, what are you doing there?
Yapma. Biliyor
刚才会了。Whack fuck here. Whack. 2, 1.
Опа-на. Ты чё боишься?
You're gonna have to sell your feet pictures. Oh.
Oh, cat.
The door and let the rain do the parenting for once. Your cat is 10 predator and 90 clingy leg warmer. Orange cat finding the brain cell. Lux is playing 4D chess while she is still stuck on the tutorial level. Vegan cat eats organic garden salad. Took the firewall too literally. Tiny Potato has a very low tolerance for your shenanigans. gift has a heartbeat and a very low survival rate.
Will you drop it in this bucket?
Or a dog and a sudden floor inspection. Welcome home. Really put the blind in window blinds. Really thought he was about to jump through the screen.
Pollito? ¿Sí? ¿Pollito?
Cat is definitely not beating the straight to jail allegations.
Okay. You're going straight to jail.
Step out and he immediately chose the indoor life.
You're upset that you can't have any more dinner. Oh, Charles. No need to be so dramatic.
You're trying to pack for vacation, but your cat is strictly on the nugget diet.
See how annoying it is?
Immediate regret in 5 easy steps.
Okay.
One high-stakes fart that ended up having a name, a face, and tiny little paws.
She's asking for more attention. You are kidding.
The onions finally hit you.
You do while I was gone today.
Lecture could have been an email. I am out of here. Check the floor vent for snacks, but find a cat.
5条。
Main character just got demoted to background extra.
Hey, what are you doing in here?
The nap hits so hard you forget how to cat. Each time you... Intrusive Thoughts won when the dog chose violence first.
Vinci da 3.
Control-C Control-V cat version.
Really?
Ultimate shoelace security detail.
Lenore. Open the door. Open the door.
You say the door is closed, but your cat is a liquid.
What the heck?
He is finally working on her core strength, and it is adorable.
Found out.
Donut. He's lost his mind. Oh no, you get off.
Death threat to head empty in 5 seconds flat. Would you like me to generate a funny caption for a different video?
Oh my god.
Be careful.
Thank you so much.
Head versus Gravity 1.
Stuck in weird places. What?
Kitty, come on. She did the kitty. That's it. You big brave girl.
Introverts think they can hide, but orange cats have other plans.
How are you?
Your crush finally notices you, but you forgot how to breathe.
What do you think it could be? We better check.
Tax collector is here again. System rebooting, please wait beep.
What? What's up, son? I'm gonna get in the shower. What's up?
4K hiding the evidence but still acting like the victim.
I don't know. I feel like it's kind of mean to keep them inside for their whole lives. But that's
Sir liquid until they get stuck in the banister. Please send help.
You are! One more step and you are gonna be living on the streets.
Instructions for my cat: stop headbanging and just let me love you.
This doesn't belong in here. This is not one of your babies. This is not a baby.
Lifeguard on duty is failing the most important safety check.
Fine. I promise I'm fine. I am fine.
She's in! She's in! She's panicking!
Go help her.
Daddy's coming! Daddy's coming!
Don't worry. Bob the Builder's here to fix this.
And loaded, but the only thing I'm hunting is your attention. She looks like she is calculating the cost of kitten child support. Audacity to stop petting before I gave the verbal permit.
What's the matter? Do you want to go out?
Cat saw Sparky and immediately chose a life of crime.
Listen, same thing. Then what are you gonna do? What about that Trump fella? Huh? I know, my goodness.
Finally got the kitten she was actually sobbing about.
Hungry, I can eat a damn cat. An orange one.
Your cat realizes you're afraid of the dark and helps you cook the midnight snack.
he's inside the light. Oh my god, no!
Or is Lava Cat Edition 5.0. Ten anime betrayals. Number 1, the empty food bowl.
Your food bowl empty? I'm gonna like it. Look.
Surprise is so good you have to reboot your brain before the hug. Universal distribution system definitely over-delivered on this assignment. Walking cat for busy owners.
Hungry? Are you hungry, little lady? Yeah, are you hungry?
Thought I bought a kitten, but I actually adopted a piranha.
Hello.
Spicy burrito finally unwrapped itself. Newest members of the Golden Nuggets Club. They are currently 90% potato and 10% squeak. Freshly baked and extra small. not missing, she was just conducting a very thorough audit.
Come out.
Dog is 1 poodle and 99 tumbleweed. This fluffy cloud is just looking for a place to land. Local news area rug mysteriously shredded. Suspect remains at large, highly motivated, and extremely waggy. Investigations are ongoing.
Đồ đàn đúng không? Trời ơi, sao rác kìa. Xong tha tiền tha vàng vậy tao tha rác đâu mà vậy?
.exe has stopped working. Refresh. Robot vacuum finally fought back and the cat exited stage left. .10% puppy and 90% toasted marshmallow. Still searching for the campfire. The 3 a.m. Zoom ice hit and you accidentally open the front camera.
Oh my gosh. Oh.
Spent 30 minutes calculating the trajectory only to realize I have zero coordination and even less shame. Gravity wins this round.
Wow.
The boss is 10 pounds but holds all the authority. the mud for 30 minutes with a cage of pups and not a soul in sight.
Okay.
Are you done being rude?
The milk bar is at full capacity and the supervisor in the back is just waiting for his shift to start. No vacancy today.
Vụ gì? Kìa, trời ơi, cái cửa rồi kìa, sáng cái cửa rồi kìa. Cái gì cũng từ từ chứ mấy cha, làm cái gì mà nôn dữ vậy? Mèo vô đầu tiên, còn con hết rồi. Cái gì mà leo lên đây chứ hả? Quỷ mèo. Cái gì? Con miếng nào đâu? Miếng nào chưa ra được à? Hả? Ai kia đập cửa vậy? Sáng sẽ đập cửa người ta rồi. Từ từ người ta mở cửa chứ.
The plumber charges 3 treats per hour and still cannot find where that squeaking sound is coming from. 1010 would hire again.
Trời mắc cười kìa. Chạy nhanh lên. Sáng gì giờ? Lên 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 lên. Tiếp 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 lên 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 chạy lên 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 lên. Giữ rồi, giữ rồi, giữ rồi, giữ rồi.
Teammate wears the official jersey but you still have to carry the whole squad from the floor. Worst bench support ever. Buffet is open and the dress code is strictly formal. For courses, 3 outfits and 1 human standing in the way of more snacks. precise moment an orange cat realizes the bug has a better defense strategy than expected. System rebooting in 3, 2, 1. Up, chose maximum comfort, and then immediately forgot how to function. System error cat.exe has stopped responding.
Ngủ đi rồi đêm thức tép. Tối hôm qua đúng 12 giờ 23 phút sủa. Cái gì mà sủa mỏi hết, đứa sủa rồi đứa đập cửa là sao? Thấy cái gì mà sủa hoài vậy? Hả? Cả đêm sủa làm đây. Vừa sủa mà vừa đập cửa nữa. Bà này cũng tham gia nè, bà đập cửa nữa nè. Ghê.
The catnip finally kicks in and you start seeing the fourth dimension. Someone reset this orange car, it is buffering in mid-air. A dramatic calico heist, but the suspect is too confused to resist. Arrested for extreme cuteness and having a very questionable mustache. Thinks he is a black leopard in the Himalayas. Would you like me to suggest some trending hashtags to go with this post? Try to sneak past your roommates after curfew, but the door light betrays your every move. Busted by the fashion police. Trying to be a stealthy jungle predator, but then I remembered I am actually just a small bowl of fruit salad. cat has its own vision.
What the? Oh my. Are you kidding me?
Players always get caught eventually.